Welcome to the beautiful Mission Bay for the 2025 San Diego Bird Festival, where we set out on an adventure with an incredible group of birders. We were all eager to get out on the water and start birding on this beautiful morning. In late February, Mission Bay is a prime spot for bird watching. It serves as an important stopover for migratory species. We were able to spot many birds such as Brants and eared grebes, as well as willets and curlews foraging and flying above us. We were also able to see ospreys and great blue herons, which were great local sightings. This trip was an unforgettable way to connect with nature for beginners and seasoned birders. It was a great opportunity to observe birds from the water with views into Kendall Frost Marsh. We were able to experience birds from a completely different point of view as the godwits were constantly flying above us. It was an incredible day learning about the rewilding efforts in Mission Bay as we paddled through the waters and explored this beautiful coastal ecosystem. I can't wait to see what next year will bring.